Gems, it's your girl Trin. We're going to be applying some falsies today. Jumping right into this video, I'm just going to give you a little rundown on this lash glue that we are using today. The lash glue of choice is by Amani Ange. This glue is quick drying, latex free, waterproof, long lasting, and vegan friendly. It comes with this cute little applicator tip that you can apply directly on the eye or straight on the lash band. Very convenient. Before I begin applying these lashes, I just want to show you my top 5 favorite go-to lashes. Now these lashes are Aaliyah. They are the lashes that look like extensions, quote unquote extension. Love, 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 love. They are not too long in length. I like to keep it short and cute for when I'm going to work or on the run. They're also perfect for when you're going out. But me personally, I'm a short lash girl these days. So these are one of my go-tos. Next lash we have is Kiyomi. Kiyomi is that girl. She is a mink lash that can be used up to 20 times. They're bold, flirty, ready for a night out or in, girl. These are my favorite lashes. If I'm getting ready to step, you will see me in Kiyomi that night. One thing that I will say with these lashes is the amount of times that I can use them is insane. Now the next lash that we have is Kaori. Kaori gives the eyes a nice doll, playful appearance. I use these ones for going out. They give me like this nice bold look. They're not too long in length. Just like the other ones, I can use them as many times as I want. And they withhold. Next we have Kim. Kim is bold, fluffy, and full. Kim was my go-to for a very long time. I had to take a step back from wearing my long lashes, but Kim is that girl. Next we have Mai. Mai is going to be the lash that I am going to be trying on today in this video. Mai is my go-to everyday lash as of now. Love, love, love the look that it gives me. Eats every time. Never have to cut them. Very quick and easy. No waste of time over here. Here I go again, rambling on about my favorite lashes. I almost forgot to tell you guys about my favorite lash book. This is the Glitter Glam book. This lash book has 7 pairs of my favorite 25mm lashes. These are that gal. Enough about the lashes. I am ready now to start applying these lashes today. So back again, here we are with mine. Look how gorgeous these lashes are. I can't get over it. Talk about every day, talk about giving. Like, I just get like super vibes from these lashes. Going in with a pair of tweezers. You can use any pairs of tweezers. These are my lash tweezers. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab one lash off. The next step that you want to go ahead and do is measure these lashes to your eyes. Make sure that they're not too long. You don't want them poking you in your eye. Fit them, size them up to your eye. With these lashes, they come like they're literally made for me. I never have to cut these lashes. They fit my eye shape so well. It definitely cuts down the work. It's grab and go with these. Now I guess you guys can see why I love them so much. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my white lash glue. This lash glue dries very clear, so I never really have to worry about seeing that white line or anything like that on my lid. Now using my mini hand mirror, I'm going to just get right up close and personal so I can see myself while I apply these lashes. Now going in with my lash glue, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lash glue to the lash band, with more focus being on the inner and outer corners. These areas with lashes tend to lift very quickly or not hold well, so I just like to add a little bit more. Up close and personal, using my fingers. My fingers are always the easiest way for me to apply lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply to the inner corner, let it hold for a second, and apply to the outer corner. I just like to go ahead and squeeze the lashes together, get it right to fit, allow it to dry, and then I go back in and squeeze them together again. Second lash off of the packaging. Same method, applying more glue to the inner and outer corner and one swipe straight across the band. In with my tweezers this time around, just to show you guys how easy it can be to apply your lashes with the tweezers as well. Now with the tweezers, you just want to make sure that you have a good grip on the lash, so I like to hold it from the front, just like this. Now keeping that same method of applying it to my inner corner first and then my outer corner, I'm just going to go ahead and place it straight on with the tweezers. Sometimes it does tend to get stuck on the tweezers. It happens to the best of us. No worries, we just re-grip and try to get that lash on to our best abilities. You just want to make sure that you're looking up. Let the lash sit for a second, fit it to your eyes, and then you're going to go ahead and place it in. Same method with your fingers as you would with the tweezers. You just want to go in and squeeze the lashes together with your natural lash. That way you get them as close as possible. Now I forgot to mention before, I am not placing the lashes directly on my natural lashes. I am placing them just right above it on my lid. Just like that, in as easy as 2 minutes, maybe even less, our lashes are applied and we are ready to step out that door. guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, gems. See you in the next one.